Bon here and welcome back to my channel. As you all know, I love creating different looks, trying different wigs. So now I'm gonna be trying a new wigs from divatress.com. Divatress.com has a lot of wide selections of wigs, from lace front wigs to natural hair wigs. They have it all, so you better check them out. The link is right here if you want to go check them out, and also click down the link on my description box as well. So yes, I reached out to them and I was like, oh, I love your website, I love the wigs that I've seen in your website, and I'm wondering if you guys do a collaboration with influencers. And they approved my request. I picked wigs that I really want to try, and so they sent me these two wigs. First wig I received from them is called the Ombre Burgundy Glam Lace Style EVIN. You can see it's burgundy, it's ombre, so it's like black here, and it's right here, burgundy red. So I already cut the front lace, so it's already cut, and as you can see right here, this is the inside, so it has a clip from both. It has a clip at the back. So I'm wearing the EVIN style wig, and as you can see, it's ombre in burgundy. It's actually not that long when you wear it, it's just up until my chest, but the feel of it is also lightweight. It's not that heavy at all. It fits perfectly on my head, and the hairline covers, the front really covers my hairline pretty good, and it looks super natural. And the texture of the synthetics is like a natural hair. The color is really the same, and it's really nice, and it complements my skin tone, which is yellow medium beige, and the volume is really super nice too, and it doesn't shed easily, as you can see, unless you really tug and pull the hair. Okay, this unit is really long. So this unit is really long, and the color is sandy camel. It looks like really, it looks like, you know, that soldier camel green. I love this. It's pretty long. It's like has this really natural like wave or curly, I don't know, like beach wave on it. That's the style. It's really long. It reaches up to my 2 inches above my knee, so that is how long it is. That's how long it is. So if you want a really long beach wave style, then go for this. They have like different colors, but I chose this one because I kind of like want to look like Beyonce. There you go. So okay, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it looks really nice. I love the fact that once you touch it, the texture looks really natural. It feels super natural. Like I could even tell this like wig, I swear to God. This is really good quality synthetic wig, and the color really pops, and it looks super the same on the picture online. So that is, I think, is really important in buying wigs. So it gotta look the same as on the picture. So this is the Valeria style sandy camel wig from divatress.com. If you like this wig, then go ahead, check the link in my description box. Then go ahead, click the link on my description box, and it would take you to their online site where you could purchase this. This retails for $40, which is pretty good and awesome price for a really luxurious looking natural look. I really want to know your thoughts of which wig suits me perfectly, if it's the sandy camel one or this red one. comment it down below. I really want to know. If you have any questions, feel free to comment it down below. Also, I'll be linking down this wig down on my description box, so be sure to check that out. And don't forget to follow my Instagram. I post a lot of 60-minute videos there, and my IGTV too. This is the Diva Trash Haul Wigs 2018. So I'll see you again next time. Thank you guys for watching. If you end up liking this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, if you haven't watched my previous video yet, then go ahead, check these videos out. And go click the bell if you want to get notified if I post a new video. So I'll see you again next time, guys. Bye!